Hello everybody, I'm going to show you shell scrubbing, and I'll be talking a little bit more than I normally would. A silent presentation is the best presentation, but I will talk through some of this just to be helpful to moms and dads. So the material is on a low shelf and some supplies underneath, so that if these get wet, they can be refreshed. And I have a workspace available with a low table. I will go and get some water. You can decide to show your children to fill the pitcher up near to being full. And I'm going to pour some water in the basin, and I'm going to keep some water in the pitcher for cleanup. Now, to bring my shell. This is a beautiful conch shell. You can hold it to your ear, and it sounds like the ocean. I'm going to make it clean. Scrub brush. I'm going to wet the shell first. Let me turn this over a little bit. Shells are pretty fragile, just like glass. Now to rub this on the soap, I'm going to keep my soap right here on my soap dish, but just rub a few times. When I can, I want to make circles. A bit more water. And now for rinsing. First I'll rinse my sponge. I think I can use this sponge to to rinse the shell. I think it's well rinsed. We can just shake off the water a little bit and then carry that back over to its dish. Now I need to dry my shell. I'm going to move my pitcher a little bit and my drying cloth. And I want to make sure that no water was left inside the shell. Oops. My drying cloth. And I'm going to open this up. My table's very small and I want to fold the corners in to make a mitt. And then hold the shell and dry. That looks beautiful. I'm going to put this back on the shelf where I took it from. Pretty. And I'm ready to do my cleanup. So I'm going to just open up my cloth, and I have another hand towel with the spill bucket, and I want to open that and lay it on the floor for just in case I have any drops that spill, so I'm protecting the floor from this water. Carefully pick it up, basin up, and spill slowly. Now, my water didn't get very soapy, but sometimes my water does get soapy. And so I'm going to pour the rest of the water in the basin just to make sure all the soap is gone. And I'm going to swirl gently. And again, pour into the spill bucket. For those last drops. Okay. I think I'm ready to pour my spill bucket water into a sink or another spill bucket. And I can begin to dry my basin. And my pitcher. again, I'm going to fold the corners under my thumb to make a mitt to dry the spill bucket. Now this is pretty wet, so probably my best plan would be to put this in a laundry basket. So I'm going to put this in a laundry basket. And I can get a fresh drying towel, so that's ready for the next person. I'm going to fold that over the side just like that. My spill bucket is ready to be put away, so I'm going to fold this cloth. I didn't make a spill, but if I did make a spill, then I would get a fresh cloth. I can return that to its place. I can return my tray with the scrub brush and soap. And my basin. And I can check to see if this is wet. It is not, so I can just fold this corner to corner. And corner to corner again. And one more time. That will help me to just lay this on the basin, so that's ready. My workspace looks beautiful and dry. And the last thing that I will do is take off my apron. At your house, you might have a place to hang your apron, or you might fold it. Folding this apron is a little bit challenging, especially on this table. Now this is so very big that I'm going to give it an extra fold, a little bit differently than we do it in the classroom. Okay. And I'm going to fold, because it's so large, I'm going to fold it one time. Let me find where my ribbon ties are. Here we go. All right. One time and two times. And pull that down. Push this in. Okay. And remember, these ribbons are going to make a kss. And then this part will go on top. Pull, pull, and tie. And then it looks like a present. It's a gift ready for you to try at your house. Bye. Till next time.